How to fix sound not working on iPhone. If your iPhone has no sound, then try these steps to fix sound not working. First of all you have to do is open the settings app on your mobile device. Once inside the settings app, scroll down and tap on the sounds and haptics button available in there. Once you tap on the sounds and haptics, you will get to see the ringer or silent phone option available. Just make sure that it is toggled off. If it is red, then it is on. Flip it back to turn the sound on. Now you can simply drag the ringer and alert slider to the right and it will do the volume up button. Once you drag the slider, it will increase the volume of your device. After doing so, make sure to turn off the Do Not Disturb mode on your device. Drag down the control center, then tap on the focus button. And if the Do Not Disturb button or silent modes are on, then simply toggle the switch off by simply tapping on it. Then also make sure to simply clean the speaker grills. Use a soft brush or toothbrush to gently clean the speaker holes at the bottom of your iPhone. After that, go back to the settings, and inside the settings, all you have to do is tap on the general option available in there. Once you tap on the general, all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone option available in there. Once you tap on the transfer or reset iPhone, tap on the reset all settings. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.